Time is 6:15. That video is incredible. I mean, our hearts go out to them. That's devastating to look at the fire right there.
And of course, the Tour de France is being covered by NBC. It's amazing the coverage that they have. The bike riders are going, they must have those scooters, I think, with the cameras on the back, right?
I would assume so. And the interesting thing, I can remember watching the Tour de France in high school. We actually one time got to watch it for, get out of class for a couple minutes. It's fun to watch.
That's good. Do you remember who won it that year?
I have no idea.
I know. Other than Lance Armstrong, you really can't remember too many. But all right, we're warm this morning and we're going to be hot this afternoon. Big surprise, huh? Southeast Louisiana in the summertime. We're starting with 76 in Bogalusa. We're at 77 in Baton Rouge, 76 in Hammond. Now, the one that surprised me a little bit for just a second, the 83-degree reading that we have right along the lake, but it's a westerly wind, and the water temperature right now is at 86. That's the reason why we're at 83 there. Grand Isle, obviously, very close to the water, too, 81, the current temperature. Officially, at Louis Armstrong International Airport, I don't know why they're showing a shower. I think that's a little computer glitch. 78, the current temperature, dew point at 76, very similar to the conditions that we had yesterday. Captain Denny's boating forecast. Get out today because it's going to be great on the water. Westerly winds at 5 to 10 knots. Seas anywhere from 1 to 2 feet, although the winds actually are going to be backing off a touch by this afternoon. Another mainly dry day. It'll be a degree or two cooler on the water because that lake temperature right now, 86. So this afternoon, it will feel a little bit cooler if you're closer to the water. Gulf, quiet. Caribbean, now quiet. Remember yesterday we had some cloudiness that looked halfway interesting, but there was a lot of upper-level wind shear. National Hurricane Center tells us that over the next 7 days, the tropics should remain quiet. All right, in the short term, it's going to be another hot day. It's going to be a relatively light wind day, maybe a touch more breezy than yesterday, but high pressure is going to help to bring us that westerly wind. Stationary front to the north, not getting any closer to us. Again, the high pressure system at the upper levels of the atmosphere. You see it right here. Let's see how much it moves over the next 5 days. All right, here it is. We go from Sunday into Monday. Now we're into Tuesday. Tuesday into Wednesday. It's just not going to move much till the end of the week. That means things are going to be hot for us and on the drier side, especially here in the short term. Although I think by midweek, that chance for rain is going up just a little bit. Today, like yesterday, chance for rain. I'm putting it at 10%. That's a bit of a stretch. Less than 10% of us, I think, seeing a shower. Those showers popping up once we get past about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then as we get to about 8 o'clock tonight, it is still going to be very, very warm. Walk around the block after dinner, close to 90 degrees. Yesterday we got to 94 for the high. Today I think we'll be a degree warmer than that. Tomorrow morning we start in the 70s, no surprise there. Afternoon, mid-90s. Now the showers starting to get a touch more numerous tomorrow. Chance for rain officially at about 20%. And this model's picking up on a little bit of energy that could be in the Gulf. We'll be watching that over the next 12 hours. On Tuesday, the chance for rain going up just a touch more. We'll put the chance for rain at 30%. But it's still going to be hot. This model has us at 97. Yes, Monday and Tuesday both look hot for us. Mostly sunny, mainly dry, hot again. High temperature, mid-90s. 94 yesterday was the high. Today I think we'll get to 95. Clear, warm, and muggy with morning temperatures in the upper 70s in most spots, and then mostly sunny. 20% chance for isolated thunderstorms. I think we'll be at 96 for the high temperature tomorrow. We may have a heat advisory Monday and Tuesday, and if that happens, we'll make both of those days weather impact days. We'll wait for the National Weather Service to pull the trigger on that, but just know it's going to be hot. We do get a little bit cooler with the rain chances going up by the end of the week. That's your WDSU First Warning for